I am sorry, Babu.
Hey, what's up everyone? So today, we will make a metal Beyblade with this rusty firewheel. So first, you need a core of a DB Beyblade, like this one Sinan is using. You can also use a metal Beyblade energy ring, or you can just make one with a bottle cap. Now the layer is done. So now for the bottom, Sinan is using something like this. You can get this from bicycle bells like these ones. Otherwise, you can just use a bottle cap. Lastly, Sinan is attaching a performance tip at the bottom. You can also use other things related to a performance tip. So our new Firewheel Metal Beyblade is ready to burn other Beyblades.
Wow! Very amazing!
Your likes and great comments really inspire Sinan to make new videos, but this video would be worth it for us if you hit that subscribe button down below. So, what are you waiting for?